Welcome to my channel Bharat Kathas. Today I am going to explain an important current affairs editorial, Credible and Creditable. This editorial explains why Budget 2026 is sensible and trustworthy even though it does not have big announcements. I'll explain everything in very simple words. What the editorial is saying. The editorial says Budget 2026 is not flashy, it is not dramatic, but it is practical and sensible. The government is focusing on managing the economy carefully, not on impressing people. Now the question is, why did the government avoid big announcements? Because the global situation is uncertain. There are wars, trade tensions like US tariffs, and economic slowdown. In such times, big, risky reforms can harm the economy. So the government chose stability instead of risk. Next topic is budget strategy. This budget does not depend on one big reform. Instead, it takes many small steps in different sectors. When all these steps work together, they help the economy grow steadily over time. This is a safe and long-term approach. Next topic is manufacturing and jobs. One major focus of Budget 2026 is manufacturing and employment. The government supports sectors like electronics, semiconductors, textiles, chemicals, and capital goods. These sectors are important because they create jobs, reduce imports, and increase exports. Next topic is semiconductors and biopharma. First, let us understand about semiconductors. They are small chips used in mobile phones, cars, computers, and defense equipment. India currently imports most of these chips. So the government started Semiconductor Mission 2.0. In simple, this mission aims to manufacture chips in India and reduce dependence on imports and make India self-reliant in technology. Now let us understand Biopharma Shakti scheme. India is already strong in making medicines. Under this scheme, the government will spend 1,000 crores over 5 years. The aim is to make India a global hub for medicine manufacturing. This will help exports, jobs, and healthcare growth. Next topic is exports and MSMEs. MSMEs are backbone of the Indian economy. They provide jobs and contribute nearly 50% of India's exports. But many MSMEs are suffering because of US tariff hikes and global slowdown. The budget announces support schemes, but the editorial clearly wants schemes must be implemented quickly, not just announced. Next topic is service sector support. The budget also supports service sector. This includes education, skill development, healthcare, and medical tourism. India already has strengths in these areas, so supporting them helps faster growth. Next topic is infrastructure push. Instead of announcing many new projects, the budget focuses on completing existing infrastructure projects. This includes roads, corridors, ports, and waterways. Good infrastructure helps in creating jobs. Next topic is government finances. The government continues high capital expenditure. Capital expenditure means spending on long-term assets like roads, railways, and ports. At the same time, government controls the fiscal deficit, which is around 4.3% of GDP. This shows financial responsibility. This budget did not give big tax cuts, large subsidies. So some people may feel disappointed. But the government did not make decisions just to gain popularity. Final conclusion is Budget 2026 is credible and creditable. It is responsible and suitable for uncertain global conditions. It focuses on long-term growth, not short-term popularity. Let's see what are the important takeaways from the editorial. First, Budget 2026 follows a careful and balanced approach. Second, it focuses on long-term growth instead of short-term popularity. Third, it gives importance to manufacturing, MSMEs, and infrastructure. And finally, the government maintains financial discipline even during global uncertainty. Thank you.